Let's do a tutorial for the very opening movements. We're here, we're walking in. 1, 2. If it feels more comfortable to you, you can stand here. So either way. Then it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that facing you. 1, 2. Sorry, I walked in like I was curious, but it's more angry. And you can follow whatever the dance before you, whatever emotion that is, you want to continue it into this part. So it'd be probably more like 1. And then 2 is settling, facing the audience. 3. Sorry, you want to go 3, touch your lips. 4, hold them down. There's a lot of thinking going on. Then it'd be 5, 6, then 7, 8. The thinking face looks something along these lines where it's like it's angry, but it's not angry. So this would be angry, right? And this would be thinking, right? The eyes tend to kind of move around a little bit when you're thinking. There's a little bit of pinching in, but it's not that deep furrow, okay? Give that a try in your mirror until what you're telling the audience in the mirror is, I'm thinking about something. I'm not sure what way I'm gonna go yet, because this dance is where you decide which way to go.